pleasure to welcome each one of you present today for the Chinnara Pratibha Loka Educational Project Exhibition 2023-2024. It's my pleasure to welcome our chief guest, Honorable Dr. Siddhappa Sir, Assistant Professor, Davangere University, Shivagangotri. Happy welcome to you, sir. I offer a obedient welcome to Mr. Maltesh Sir, Founder President, Arivu Vidya Samsthe, Little Angel School, Harihar. A genial welcome to you, sir. I offer a genial welcome to Mr. Ganeshachari Sir, Founder Vice Secretary, Arivu Vidya Samsthe, Little Angel School, Harihar. A honorable welcome to you, sir. I offer a happy welcome to our founder headmistress, Mrs. Jyoti Ji Ma'am, headmistress, Arivu Vidya Samsthe, Little Angel School, Harihar. I offer a warm welcome to you, ma'am. I offer a cordial welcome to Swamiji. A very warm welcome to you, sir. I offer a genial welcome to Mr. Santosh Sir, Treasury, Arivu Vidya Samsthe, Little Angel School, Harihar. A happy welcome to you, sir. I offer a cordial welcome to my dear teaching and non-teaching staff. A most abundant welcome to you all. Last but not least, the center of attraction of our program are Little Angels, Shining Stars, Tiny Tots, my dear cutie pies. A very big grand welcome to you all. I request all the dignitaries to inaugurate the program by lightening the lamp. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhirbhavatu Me Sada. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. God bless Mummy, God bless Daddy, help me always to make them happy. Oh my God, I love you. Makes me study well.
ಪುಟ್ಟ ಏನು ಹೆಸರು? ಆದ್ಯ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೀಯಾ? ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಫುಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಜಂಕ್ ಫುಡ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯಾ ಎರಡರದ್ದು?
Namaste, welcome to Chinnara Pratibha Loka. My name is Adya from first standard. My topic is healthy food and junk food. These are healthy foods like fruits, vegetables, pulses, milk and others. These are junk foods like noodles, chips, sweets, biscuits and chocolates. Healthy foods are foods that fill up our stomach and provide us with energy. Healthy food that makes our body fit and strong.
Yes.
Junk food that makes our body weak. Healthy food are natural food. Junk food are artificial food. Healthy food helps us to fight with diseases, but junk food that makes us sick. We should always eat healthy food, so we should avoid eating junk food. Thank you.
ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ತಿಂತೀಯಾ? ಗುಡ್. ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಫುಡ್. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಇದು? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಹಾಂ ಹೌದ್ರಾ? ಹಾಂ ನೈಸ್. ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೀವೇನೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಹಾಂ ಇರಲಿ. ಹಾಂ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ? ನೈಸ್ ನೈಸ್.
ಇದು ಒಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಅವಕಾಶ. ಉದ್ದಿನ ಕಡ್ಡಿಯಾಗಿ ಏನು 2 ಕೈಯಷ್ಟು ಹಿಡಿದುಕೊಂಡು ತಂದು ಕೊಡಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೈ ನಿಜಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಯಾರ ಕೈಗೆ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಮಾಪದ ಮಗಳು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ತನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕರ್ಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕರ್ಸ್ತಾರೆ. ತನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮ್ಮ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಗೊಂಬರ್ತಾನೆ. ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ನ ಉದ್ದಿನ ಕಡ್ಡಿ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಹೋಗಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮುಚ್ಚಿ ಮಾಪದ 2ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಅಭಿನಯ ಗೀತೆಯನ್ನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಏಂಜಲ್ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನಡೆದಿತ್ತು. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ಚಪ್ಪರ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು. ನಮ್ಮ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಏಂಜಲ್ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನಡೆದಿತ್ತು. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ಚಪ್ಪರ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ತೋರಣ ಕಟ್ಟಿದರು. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ತೋರಣ ಕಟ್ಟಿದರು. ಮಾಲ್ತೆ ಸರು ಕುರ್ಚಿಲ್ ಕೂತು ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾಗಿದ್ರು. ಮಾಲ್ತೆ ಸರು ಕುರ್ಚಿಲ್ ಕೂತು ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾಗಿದ್ರು. ನಮ್ಮ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಏಂಜಲ್ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನಡೆದಿತ್ತು. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ಚಪ್ಪರ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು. 5 ಮತ್ತು 6ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬಂದು ಓಲಗ ಊದಿದರು. 5 ಮತ್ತು 6ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬಂದು ಓಲಗ ಊದಿದರು. 4ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬಂದು ಡೋಲು ಬಾರಿಸಿದ್ರು. 4ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬಂದು ಡೋಲು ಬಾರಿಸಿದ್ರು. ನಮ್ಮ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಏಂಜಲ್ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನಡೆದಿತ್ತು. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ಚಪ್ಪರ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು. 3ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೂ ಹಿಡಿದು ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಕೋರಿದರು. 3ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೂ ಹಿಡಿದು ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಕೋರಿದರು. 2ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತಾವೇ ಜಾಣರು ಎಂದು ಭಾಷಣ ಮಾಡಿದರು. 2ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತಾವೇ ಜಾಣರು ಎಂದು ಭಾಷಣ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ನಮ್ಮ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಏಂಜಲ್ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನಡೆದಿತ್ತು. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ಚಪ್ಪರ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು. ನಮ್ಮ 1ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ಮುದ್ದಾದ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬಣ್ಣ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಧರಿಸಿ ಚಂದ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದ್ರು. 1ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ಮುದ್ದಾದ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬಣ್ಣ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಧರಿಸಿ ಚಂದ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದ್ರು. UKGಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿ ವಿನಯದಿಂದ ಬಂದು ಹಾಡು ಹೇಳಿದರು. UKGಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ವಿನಯದಿಂದ ಬಂದು ಹಾಡು ಹೇಳಿದರು. ನಮ್ಮ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಏಂಜಲ್ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನಡೆದಿತ್ತು. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ಚಪ್ಪರ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು. LKGಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ತಟ್ಟಿದರು. LKGಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ತಟ್ಟಿದರು. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದ ಮೋಹನ್ ಸರು ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದ ಮೋಹನ್ ಸರು ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ನಮ್ಮ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಏಂಜಲ್ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನಡೆದಿತ್ತು. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ಚಪ್ಪರ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು. ವಿವಿಧ ವೇಷಭೂಷಣದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ವಿವಿಧ ವೇಷಭೂಷಣದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಚೋಟು ಉದ್ದದ LKG UKG ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತಕ್ಕ ಕುಣಿದರು. ಚೋಟು ಉದ್ದದ LKG UKG ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತಕ್ಕ ಕುಣಿದರು. ಅವರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎದ್ದು ಬಂದು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅವರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎದ್ದು ಬಂದು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಸಂಭ್ರಮದಿಂದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರೆಲ್ಲ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ತುಂಬ ಓಡಾಡಿದರು. ಸಂಭ್ರಮದಿಂದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರೆಲ್ಲ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ತುಂಬ ಓಡಾಡಿದರು. ನಮ್ಮ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಏಂಜಲ್ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನಡೆದಿತ್ತು. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ಚಪ್ಪರ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಆಂಟಿಯರೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ವಂದನೆ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಆಂಟಿಯರೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ವಂದನೆ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನೋಡಿದ ಪೋಷಕರೆಲ್ಲ ಇಂಥ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಎಂದು ಅಚ್ಚರಿಪಟ್ಟರು. ನಮ್ಮ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಏಂಜಲ್ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನಡೆದಿತ್ತು. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ಚಪ್ಪರ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಹೇಳಿ.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ಚಿನ್ನರ ಪ್ರತಿಭಾ ಲೋಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ತನ್ಮಯ್. ನಾನು UKG ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈ ಕಥೆಯ ಹೆಸರು ಏನೆಂದರೆ ಮಾತಿನ ಮಲ್ಲ ಆಮೆ. ಒಂದಾನೊಂದು ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪುಟ್ಟ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಆ ಹಳ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪುಟ್ಟ ಕೊಳವಿತ್ತು. ಆ ಕೊಳವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪುಟ್ಟ ಆಮೆ ವಾಸವಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಆ ಆಮೆ ತುಂಬ ಮಾತನಾಡ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಮಾತನಾಡ್ತಲೇ ಇತ್ತು. ಇದರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಾಕಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು. ಒಂದು ದಿನ 2 ಕೊಕ್ಕರೆಗಳು ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಯಲು ಬಂದವು. ನೀರು ಕುಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಕಾಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಎತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾರಿ ಹೋದವು. ಇದನ್ನು ಆ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಆಮೆ ನೋಡಿತ್ತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಆಕಾಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಎತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾರುವ ಆಸೆ ಪಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು. ಮರುದಿನ ಕೊಕ್ಕರೆಗಳು ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಯಲು ಬಂದವು. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಆಕಾಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೀರಾ? ನೀನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹಾರುತ್ತೀಯ? ನಾವು ಹಾರಬಹುದು, ನೀನು ಹಾರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಗ ಆಮೆ ಬೇಡಿಕೊಂಡಿತ್ತು. ಕೊಕ್ಕರೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಉಪಾಯ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ಕರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಆದರೆ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕವಾಗಿರಲಿ, ನೀನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಮಾತನಾಡ್ತಲೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಉಪಾಯ ವ್ಯರ್ಥವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಮಾತನ್ನು ಆಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಕೊಕ್ಕರೆಗಳು ಕೋಲನ್ನು ಹಿಡಿದು ತಂದವು. ಒಂದು ತುದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕೊಕ್ಕರೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ತುದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೊಕ್ಕರೆ ಕೋಲನ್ನು ಹಿಡಿದು ಕೊಳದ ಬಳಿಗೆ ಬಂದವು. ಆ ಮಧ್ಯಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಮೆಗೆ ಎರ್ಕೊಂಡವು. ಆದರೆ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕವಾಗಿರಲಿ, ನೀನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಮಾತನಾಡ್ತಲೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನೀನು ಬಿದ್ದು ಸತ್ತು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೀಯ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಮಾತನ್ನು ಆಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮಯದ ನಂತರ ಸುಂದರವಾದ ಭೂಮಿ, ನೋಟ, ಗಿಡ, ಮರ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ನೋಡಲು ಆರಂಭಿಸಿತು. ವಾ, ಎಂಥ ಸುಂದರವಾದ ದೃಶ್ಯ ಅನ್ನಲು ಬಾಯಿ ತೆಗೆಯಿತು. ಕೊಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು. ಈ ಕಥೆಯ ನೀತಿ ಏನೆಂದರೆ, ಯಾರು ಅತಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾತನಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಅವರು ನಷ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತಾರೆ.
ಖಂಡಿತ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ.
Namaste. Welcome to Chinnara Pratibha Loka. My name is Tanmay. I am from 3rd standard. I am going to explain the model of pair words. Certain words which we use together are called pair words. For example, cup and saucers, chair and table, hands and legs, salt and pepper, needle and thread, lock and key, bread and jam, pencil and eraser, chair and table, bat and ball, bread and butter, door and window, coat and tie, brush and paint. Thank you.
ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್. ಈಗ ಬ್ರೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಟರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಬ್ರೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಜಾಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯೋ? ಬಟರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಾಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
My name is Tejit Siran from LKG. My topic is I am a big tree. La 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 la. These are my benches. These are my list. These are my flowers. These are my list. I give success to what and do. Thank you.
ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್. ವೆರಿ ಬಿಗ್ ಟ್ರೀ. ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
These are my fruits. I give success to what and do. Thank you.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Namaste, welcome to Chinnara Pratibha Loka. My name is Shreya Jujare from 3rd standard. Today I am going to explain about the model of Phonicos. An alphabet is a set of letters that we use to make words. There are 26 letters in English alphabet, all with their own sound. Their sound is called phonic. Uses of Phonicos: we learn sound of each letter, learn how the read words. Phonic education helps children be imaginative and emphatic. We develop our reading skills through this phonic. A for apple, apple. B sound ba, ball, ball. C sound ka, cat, cat. D sound da, dog, dog. E sound d, elp, ant, elephant. F sound fish, fish. G sound da, goat, goat. S sound da, house, house. I sound d, king. J sound ja, jar, K sound ka, kite, kite. L sound la,
Okay, what is W sounds?
W sound wa.
ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೇಳಿ.
W sound WATCH watch. X sound sa. V sound VAN. Z sound ja. ZEBRA zebra. Thank you. Namaste. Welcome to Chinnara Pratibaloka. My name is Adya from first standard. My topic is healthy food and junk food. These are healthy foods like fruits, vegetables, pulses, milk and others. These are junk foods like noodles, chips, sweets, biscuits and chocolates. Healthy foods are foods that fill up our stomach and provide us with energy. Healthy food makes our body fit and strong. Junk food makes our body weak. Healthy food are natural food. Junk food are artificial food. Healthy food helps us to fight with diseases, but junk food makes us sick. We should always eat healthy food, so we should avoid eating junk food. Thank you. Welcome to Chinnara Pratibaloka. My name is Tarun and Rajalli. My topic is living and non-living things. Living things: plants, sunflower trees, Christmas, birds, eagle, owl, butterfly, duck. Animals: cow, cat, dog, hippopotamus, snake, monkeys, tiger, deer, elephant, rabbit. Man-made things. Non-living things: vehicles, car, race, train, bike, cars, truck, race car. Pot, shoe, plate, gas, cooker, chairs, bed. Thank you. Namaste. Welcome to Chinnara Pratibaloka. My name is Vijay. I am studying in first standard. My topic is animals and their shelters. Ant in enter, bird in nest, cow in shed, sheep in pen, cat in cat tree, horse in stable, dog in kennel, camel in desert, hen in coop, duck in pond, rabbit in bureau. Thank you. Namaste, welcome to Chinnara Pratibaloka. My name is Chetan. I am studying first standard. My topic is water animals. Water animals are those which live in water. They are also called aquatic animals. Example: fish, blue whale, dolphin, seal, seahorse, starfish, octopus, frog, crab. Thank you. Namaste, welcome to Chinnara Pratibaloka. My name is Kirtana from first standard. My topic is land animals. Land animals are those which live on land. Example: lion, cat, snail. There are two types of animal. First one wild animal, second one domestic animal. Wild animal live in forest. Example: lion, tiger, zebra and giraffe. Domestic animal are live in the farm. Example: dog, cat, cow, hen and Thank you. Namaste. Welcome to Chinnara Pratibaloka. My name is Manasu from 2nd standard. My topic is insects. Insects are very small creatures. Insects have 3 parts: hair, thorax, and atmon. Insects have 6 legs and 2 antennae. Insects are type of animal. They do not have backbone. Insects have waterproof skeleton. They can eat plants and other animals. Spider, bee, ladybug, silkworm, dragonfly, butterfly, snail. Thank you. Namaste. Welcome to Chinnara Pratibaloka. My name is Bhavana GV from 4th standard. My topic is butterfly life cycle. First, butterflies lays eggs. Then small caterpillars hatch from eggs. Caterpillars eat leaves and grow into big caterpillars. Next, star-grown caterpillars build a house called a chrysalis and live there. After 1 to 4 weeks, a butterfly comes out. Thank you.
Namaste, welcome to Chinnara Pratibha Loka. Myself Sneha from 6th standard. My topic is fiber to fabric. The basic necessity for human beings are food, shelter and clothing. Let us discuss about clothes and why are they important. Clothes guard our body from external environment. They protect us from inside bite and they make us look good. Depending on the climate of the places, people wear different clothes. Clothes are made up of different materials. For example, cotton saree is made up of cotton. Fiber is a long, thin and flexible thread of natural or artificial fibers. It has many uses. They can be twisted together as thread, string or rope. They can be woven into fabrics or composite materials. Fibers. There are 2 types of fibers such as natural fiber and artificial fibers. Fiber which are extracted from natural sources like plant and animal are called natural fibers. The common example for natural fibers are cotton, silk, wool, jute and hemp. Fibers which are manufactured by chemical process and are not directly obtained from any natural sources are called artificial fibers. The common example for artificial fibers are rayon, nylon, acrylic and polyester. It is also known as man-made fiber or synthetic fiber. Synthetic fiber often produce much cheaper and larger than natural fibers, but natural fibers offer more advantages such as comfort, replace, reuse and recycled. Fiber and fabric, a material which is available in the form of thin and continuous strand is called as fiber. A pulled and twisted form of fiber is used to make fiber from yarn. Fabrics are made up of yarn and yarn is made up of fiber. Loom may be power loom or hand loom. Fiber is used to obtain clothes. 2 different yarn are used, one in lengthwise while other is crosswise. The crosswise yarn is called as weft. Thank you.
Namaste, welcome to Chinnara Pratibaloka. My name is Vedant from 1st standard. My topic is Clean and Green Society. The clean and green ecosystem provides us with air and pollution is also reduced. We can save the planet by conserving trees. Thank you. Namaste, welcome to Chinnara Pratibaloka. My name is Manukumar. I am studying in 1st standard in Little Lanja Primary School. My topic is Clean and Green Society. Do not tree cut, be clean and keep clean. Thank you. Namaste, welcome to Chinnara Pratibaloka. My name is Nehal. I am studying in 3rd standard. My school name is Little Angels Primary School. My topic is different types of plants. Plants are classified into 3 types: herbs, shrubs and tree. A herb is non-woody plant that has an inexperienced and smooth stem with Sure plants are taller than herbs and have stem branching out at their base. A tree. A tree is a woody plant that has had many branches on a stem. Climbers and creepers are thin and erect without any support. Climbers take some external support to grow. Example, jasmine, grey quine, money plant, etc. Creepers grow horizontally on the ground. Example, pumpkin, watermelon, etc. Thank you. Namaste, welcome to Chinnara Pratibha Loka. My name is Chandrika BS. I am studying in 2nd standard in Little Angels Primary School. My topic is forest. Forests are lifeline of the earth. Forests are a wild area that covered many trees. Forests are shelter of animals and birds. Forests keep our environment healthy. Forests provide clean air. Forests reduce pollution. Forests attract rain cloud. Forests preserve groundwater. Forests are known as lungs of planet. We should always protect the forest. Thank you.
Namaste, welcome to Chinnara Pratibha Loka. My name is Vinay Kumar and I am studying in 4th standard. My topic is afforestation and deforestation. Afforestation is the process of creating a new forest. Deforestation is the removal of forest. Afforestation, pollution is tackled by afforestation. Deforestation, carbon dioxide emissions increases due to deforestation. Afforestation, long lost ecosystem areas can be brought back by the act of afforestation. Deforestation, ecosystem is corrupted by deforestation. Afforestation, the process of afforestation helps to maintain the fertility of the soil. Deforestation decreases the fertility of the soil. Afforestation prevents soil erosion. Deforestation increases soil erosion. Afforestation is considered as a process of establishment of the forest through natural succession. Deforestation is the destruction of forest by human activities like logging, urbanization. Afforestation decreases global warming. Deforestation increases global warming. Afforestation, pollution is tackled by afforestation. Deforestation, pollution is increased by deforestation. Thank you.
Namaste, welcome to Chinnara Pratibha Loka. My name is Shiva Prasad. I am studying in 5th standard. I am going to explain about safe environment. Environment is the surrounding in which we live. It includes both living and non-living things. The environment is being polluted and degraded due to the activities of human beings. Thus, we need to take action to save our environment. At our home, we can try as much less water as we can. At school, we should not shut much to decrease noise pollution. We should reduce using crackers to reduce air pollution. We can help our parents plant more trees and save our environment. We should make it safer and better place for all of us. Thank you.
Namaste, welcome to Chinnara Pratibha Loka. My name is Arshita from 4th standard in Little Angel Primary School. My topic is differences between city and village. Life in village and city both have their own importance. Life in village is totally different from city life. Village life is very peaceful, away from all the chaos of the city life. There is a lack of facilities in villages, but in cities, facilities are very good. People in villages mainly depend upon agriculture, but people in cities not depend on agriculture. The level of the pollution is very less in villages, but pollution are very high in cities. The cost of expenses is very less in villages, but expenses are very high in cities. Village have a less population, city have larger population. Village have a full of green trees, but cities the trees are very less. I like village life than a city life. Thank you.
Namaste, welcome to Chinnara Pratibha Loka. My name is Pranav. I am studying in 5th standard. My topic name is global warming. Global warming is a long term of the planet's overall temperature. The main three causes of the global warming: burning fossil fuels, cutting down forests, and farming livestock. If you cut a tree, you kill a life. If you save a tree, you save a life. Water cycle helps regulating water weather on earth. We must not throw the garbage anywhere. We must put in the dustbin. The greenhouse effect is important to life on earth. greenhouse may be warming the earth too much. Nature has made our spend. Thank you.
Namaste, welcome to Chinnara Pratibha Loka. My name is Lavanya MP. I am studying in 3rd standard in Little Angel Primary School. My topic is varieties of food. Food habits differ from person to person. Food habits of people vary from one place to another. Fruits and vegetables are called productive food. Vegetables such as cauliflower, cabbage, tomato, beans, etc. Fruits such as mango, watermelon, muskmelon, custard apple, etc. Cool drink, cake, breads are junk food. It is bad from health. Milk, egg, meat, fish are protein-rich food. 6 benefits of eating healthy food. Healthy food improve memory and concentration. It increase energy. It gives beautiful skin. Improve your immune system. Thank you. Namaste, welcome to Chinnara Pratibha Loka. My name is Sami. I am studying in 3rd standard. My topic is uses of water. Water is very essential for every human being. It is a very important part of life. It is used in making food. It keeps the body hydrated. Water is also used in making food. It keeps the body It fulfills basic requirements of the body. We should save water. Thank you. Thank you.
Namaste, welcome to Chinnara Pratibha Loka. My name is Chirag from 3rd standard. My exhibition topic is dam working model. A dam is a barrier. It is built across the river Rasti. It stops flow of water. A dam is a well-designed. Dams are important sources of water and high importance of various means at the region. They supply the water for the various means including domestic use and irrigation purposes, and also involved in the hydroelectronic power generation in the river navigation. Do not waste water. Thank you. Namaste, welcome to Chinnara Pratibha Loka. My name is Pawan Kumar. My topic is source of water. Water is important for life. Life cannot exist on earth without water. Water is essential for drinking, bathing, agriculture, etc. Most of the earth is covered by water. Water comes from many sources. Ocean, river, lakes are example of various sources of water. Rainfall fills all the water bodies, so it is considered as the main source of water. In modern days, humans are using more groundwater. Well and borewell are dug to get groundwater. Water is a precious resource. We must take care of our water sources to keep them clean and safe. Thank you.
Namaste, welcome to Chinnara Pratibha Loka. My name is Muhammad Abdullah. I am studying 5th standard in Little Angel School. My topic is water cycle. Water cycle is also called hydrological cycle. Heat from the sun evaporates water from water vapor. This process is called evaporation. Plant also loses water as water vapor. This process is called transpiration. The water vapor gets cold from cold, tiny droplets of water. This process is called condensation. Rainwater flow on the surface of the earth, finally merge into ocean. All this process is called water cycle. Thank you.
Namaste, welcome to Chinnara Pratibha Loka. My name is Nagarjun HG from 2nd standard. Today I am explaining about Save Earth. Earth is a great gift for all humans. Earth is only a planet that is life. It is our responsibility to save Earth. Earth provides air, water, food, etc. Pollution is a big threat to life on Earth. We should save Earth. We should save trees and water. If there is no Earth, there is no life. Thank you.
Namaste, welcome to Chinnara Pratibha Loka. My name is Aman Neme. I am studying in 4th standard. My topic is different types of pollutions. Water pollution, noise pollution, air pollution. Water pollution. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies, usually as a result of human activities. Polluted water is very harmful to us. Water pollution causes many diseases. Water pollution negatively affects on water bodies, include lakes, rivers, ocean, aquifer, reservoirs, and groundwater. Noise pollution or sound pollution is the propagation of noise or sound with ranging impacts on the activity life, most which are harmful to a degree. The source of worldwide is mainly caused by machine transport and propagation system. Air pollution dangerous for everyone. It makes environment dirty. Auto vehicles major of cause air pollution. Air pollution cause various diseases. We should plant trees, stop the air pollution. I need to say some information about CPCB. CPCB means Central of Pollution Control Board. Is located in Delhi. Chairman is Tanmay Kumar, IAS officer. We should complain to a CPCB. Thank you.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ನಾನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಿದ್ದಪ್ಪ ಬಿ ಕಕ್ಕಳಮೇಲಿ, ಸಸ್ಯಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ವಿಭಾಗ, ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಸಹಾಯಕ ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕನಾಗಿ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾನು ಅರಿವು ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಏಂಜಲ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಇವತ್ತು ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾಲ್ತೇಶರು ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಹೋದ್ಯೋಗಿಗಳು ಕೂಡ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಆಹ್ವಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಈ ಪ್ರತಿಭಾ ಜಗತ್ತು ಅಂತ ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬಲ್ಲೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಮುದ್ದು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮದೇ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊರಹಾಕೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ತುಂಬ ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯವರು. ಈ ಮೂಲಕ ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ತುಂಬ ಪುಟಾಣಿಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಯನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಮುದ್ದು ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಆಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಮಗು ಕೂಡ ತನ್ನದೇ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ತನ್ನ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾತುಗಳ ಮೂಲಕ ಮತ್ತು ತನ್ನ ಮಾದರಿಯ ಮೂಲಕ ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ತುಂಬ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠವಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಚ್ಚುಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯವರು ಮತ್ತು ಮಾಲ್ತೇಶರವರು ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ರವರು ಮತ್ತು ಸಂತೋಷ್ರವರು ಹಾಗೂ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಸಹೋದ್ಯೋಗಿಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ತುಂಬ ಅಚ್ಚುಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ನಿರ್ವಹಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಂಡಾಗ ನನಗನ್ಸಿದ್ದು ಏನು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಾನೆಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವರ್ಗಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಬಂದಂಗೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಸೋಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಅವರ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಸೋಲಿಂದ ನಾವು ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೂ ತುಂಬ ಮಧುರವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಉತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಉತ್ತರದಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಖುಷಿಯಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅವರು ತುಂಬ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಮೆಂಟು ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಕೂಡ ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಮಾದರಿಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವರು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಡೆಡಿಕೇಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಕೂಡ ಅವರು ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಮಾದರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ಕೆಲಸ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಮತ್ತು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಉನ್ನತ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಮತ್ತು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಈ ಮೂರು ಕೊಂಡಿಗಳು ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ಭಾಳ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ಈ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಏಂಜಲ್ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಪೇರೆಂಟ್, ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ಟೀಚರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಮ್ಮಿಳಿತವಾಗಿ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇವತ್ತು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನನಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮನ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಮಗುವನ್ನು ನಾನು ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಭಾಳ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಭಾಳ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ ಮೂಡಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನನ್ನ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯವರು ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬ ಅಚ್ಚುಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯ ಸೌಕರ್ಯಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಯಿತು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಅದೃಷ್ಟವಂತ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಭಾವಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್. ತುಂಬ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಮಾಲ್ತೇಶ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಈ ಅರಿವು ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾಗಿ ಸುಮಾರು 8 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಿದ್ದಪ್ಪ ಅವರು ಪರಿಚಯ ಏನು ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಶ್ರುತಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಇವರ ಒಂದು ಪರಿಚಯ ಆಯಿತು. ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ನಾನು ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರವರು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಬಂದು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರುವಾಗ ನನಗೇನಿಸ್ತು ಇವ್ರು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಒಂಥರ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಥರನೇ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ಮಗು ಥರನೇ ಬಂದರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಮಗು ಥರ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅವರು ಬೆರೆತು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸಿದ್ರು, ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದರು. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ಇವರು ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ರು. ನನಗೆ ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಯಿತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇವರು ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದಿರೋರಂತೆ, ನನಗೆ ಬರುವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದರು. ಅದು ಒಂದು ಸಂತೋಷ. ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಡೀತು. ನನಗೆ ಅದು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್.
ಸೊ ಮೈ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ, ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಿಟ್ಲ್ ಏಂಜಲ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಚಿಣ್ಣರ ಲೋಕ ಪ್ರತಿಭಾ ಲೋಕ ಅನ್ನೋ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ವಸ್ತು ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾಳೆ ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ವಸ್ತು ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸು ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಈ ವಸ್ತು ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ರಿಸಲ್ಟನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Namaste, welcome to Chinnara Pratibha Loka. Myself Anish Kumar A from 6th standard. My topic is solar irrigation system. Introduction. The supplies of electricity is not reachable up to every villages. Solar energy is the most abundant sources energy in the world. Solar based irrigation system. An alternative for farmers in the present state energy crisis in India. Also it is known as eco-friendly greenhouse for energy production. Advantages. It helps in save energy. There is low fuel cost as it available free sunlight. It helps in save energy. Can be operate lifelong. It works everywhere. It is also useful for clean drinking water, sanitation and also irrigation. It dependent on rain is reduced. They create wealth for farmers by increasing number of crops. Disadvantages. High initial cost, non-working at night, solar panel inefficiency. A solar panel can convert less than 22% of the energy it gets from the sun into electrical energy. Bulky solar panels are reduced for the large power production. Thank you.
Namaste, welcome to Chinnara Pratibha Loka. My name is Veeresh. I am studying in 6th standard in Little Angel School. My topic is vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner is an electrical device. It is also known as simply as a vacuum or a hoover. It's clean from dust and dirt, and an electrical motor cleans pulls outside air from one side. This is a private internal vacuum. Air is present outside, gets sucked other end. Along with the new air, dust and dirty are also collected. The collected into the dust bag and disposed of. A vacuum cleaner is based on Bernoulli principle. Vacuum cleaner is save the time and easy to use. Thank you.
Namaste, welcome to Chinnara Pratibha Loka. My name is Ratan. I am studying in 3rd standard in Little Angel Primary School. My topic is means of communication are used by people to communicate and exchange information with each other. Computer, letter, radio, newspaper, telephone, mobile, email, internet, magazine, stamp are the important means of communication. Thank you.
Namaste, welcome to Chinnara Pratibha Loka. My name is Yasmin Banu from 1st standard. My topic is day and night. Day sky. Sky looks blue at the daytime. At daytime we see sun in the sky. There is lot of heat and daytime. Night sky. The sky looks black at night. At night we see moon and stars in the sky. There is no light night. Thank you.
Namaste, welcome to Chinnara Pratibha Loka. My name is Samruddhi from 3rd standard. My topic is organ system of our body. There are 8 main body systems. Nervous system. This system consists of brain, spinal cord and nerves. It collects and sends information to the nerves and brain. Muscular system. This system consists of muscles that are responsible for movement of the body. Skeleton system. This system consists of bones that help us to support the body and protect the organ inside the body. Respiratory system. This system provides the oxygen into the bloodstream through air. Endocrine system. This system influences the function to the body using hormones. Digestive system, where our body breaks down food and absorb nutrients and eliminate waste from the body. Urinary system. This system filters the blood and create urine as waste byproduct. Circulatory system is also known as cardiovascular system. This system pumps the blood from the heart to all over the body. Thank you.
Namaste, welcome to Chinnara Pratibha Loka. Myself Kishore from 3rd standard of Little Angels Primary School. My topic is teeth and its types. Teeth are a precious creature of human body. There are 32 teeth in an adult human mouth. Children have 20 teeth in their mouth after 6 years. There are 4 types of teeth are there. Incisors, there are 8 incisors. Canines, there are 4 canines. Molars, there are 12 molars. Premolars, there are 8 premolars. Thank you.
Namaste, welcome to Chinnara Pratibha Loka. My name is Anushka, study 6th standard. My topic is windmill. A windmill is to generate electricity. It converts the kinetic energy from the wind. It's not mechanical energy. All the blades from the windmill but in a clockwise direction. The first windmill was designed in the year 1854 by Dehri Alderson. Windmill work on simple principle. The energy in the wind turns a blade around a rotator. Rotate is connected to the main shaft. The shaft spins the generator and produce electricity. Apparatus is also used to wind. It means wind speed. Thank you.
Namaste, welcome to Chinnara Pratibha Loka. My name is Aishwarya. I am studying in 6th standard. My topic is digestive system. Digestion is the process by which food broken down into smaller pieces. It is necessary because our body needs nutrients. Nutrients are essential for both energy and cell repair. The organs that take in food broken down into smaller substances are called organs of digestion. The system concerned with ingestion, digestion and absorption are called digestive system. Organs of human digestive system in the mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. Digestion starts chewing on the food in the mouth, muscles in the throat on the food in the stomach. In the stomach, enzymes act on the food. In the stomach, enzymes act on the food. From the stomach, food passes into small intestine. Food gets absorbed our body. Blood flow through. Thank you.
Namaste, welcome to Chinnara Pratibha Loka. Myself Janavi from 6th standard. My topic is lungs. Lungs are an important respiratory organ. Humans have 2 lungs. Healthier lungs are pink in color. They are spongy. Lungs help us to breathe air. Air goes in and out of our lungs. Our body gets oxygen through the lungs. Lungs help us to talk and sing. We should keep our lungs healthy. People who should smoke, please stop smoking. Thank you.
Namaste, welcome to Chinnara Pratibha Loka. Myself Farishri Vaye from 6th standard. My topic name is kidney working model. The kidney are pair of bean-shaped organ. They are present on either side of our spine. They are reddish brown in color. Each kidney is attached to the ureter. The kidney regulate the blood pressure when necessary. Each kidney has a very complex structure. The kidney, they filter the blood and take out all waste in the blood. The generally human can live with normally just 1 kidney. The kidney are among the most vital organ of the human body. The main role of kidney is maintaining homeostasis. The main role of kidney is maintaining homeostasis. They manage fuel levels, electrolyte balanced and keep other factors. Keep the internal environmental of the body consistent, comfortable. These organs can be carry out a wide range of bodily functions.
The kidney. These are two kidneys which are reddish brown in color. Ureter. This is a ureter. The function of ureter is to pass the urine from urinary bladder. Urethra. This is a urethra. The function of urethra is to allow a passage of urine. Bladder. This is a bladder. The function of bladder is to store the urine. Waste excretion. The kidney remove various waste products and get rid of them in the urine. Some major compounds that the kidney remove are urea, which is from the breakdown of protein, uric acid, which breakdown of nucleic acid, drugs and their metabolites. Thank you.
Namaste, welcome to Chinnara Pratibha Loka. My name is Tugune, second standard. My topic is parts and function of the plant. My name is Tarun. I am studying in second standard. My topic name is parts and function of a plant. Leaf. It makes food for the plant. Fruit. It has one or many seeds inside it. Seed gone to new plant. Stem. It bears branches, leaves, fruit and flower. It carries food and water to all parts of the plant. Flower. It produces fruits and seeds. Root. They fix the plant to the soil. They also absorb water and minerals from the soil. Thank you.
Namaste, welcome to Chinnara Pratibha Loka. Myself Medashi, I am going to explain about democracy. India is a democracy country. It is the biggest democracy in the world. Democracy is the rule of the people. It is government of the people, for the people, by the people. So people will supreme in democracy. Government will be run by the representatives are elected from the people. All people are equal before the law. Representatives is election. The process of choosing people is election. It is held according to a calendar events. Voting is a citizen's duty. Democracy is the common form of government worldwide. It makes people interested in democracy. Democracy leads to make people prosperity and development of society. Thank you.
ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ ಟಿವಿ ಲೋಕಲ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್, ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮದೇ ಧ್ವನಿ.